Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the GEWAGE bike seat post for peak cycling performance. This seat post helps you find the perfect riding position to maximize your energy and speed. The adjustable clamp allows for precise tilt and setback to ensure a comfortable fit for any rider. Forged from high-quality premium aluminum, this lightweight component offers incredible durability and stiffness on every trail. It comes in several standard diameters, like 27.2, to fit most modern bicycles and frames perfectly. The dual bolt design makes installation very simple, so you can get back to riding in minutes. Upgrade your mountain or road bike today with this reliable and versatile seat post for better results. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.